Worksheets are operational instructions for the SCADA system that define how a sample should be prepared and analyzed. PrepMaster Analytics offers a comfortable module that allows the creation, configuration, and management of worksheets. With the help of the module, the operator can create process steps, so-called column headers, which are inserted into the worksheets and determine the routing and method of sample preparation and analysis. For each column header, various parameters and recipes can be stored, which are available when compiling a specific worksheet. The operator can use the existing column headers to create his own worksheets for a specific group of samples. In addition, existing worksheets can be easily modified, extended, duplicated, or deleted. All operations are logged for later review. In this way, PrepMaster Analytics provides the operator with a powerful tool for easy management of workflows in the laboratory.